My name is Michael Corcoran, and I'm an attorney and housing counselor at Grow Brooklyn. Grow Brooklyn is a not-for-profit 501c3 that's affiliated with the Brooklyn Cooperative Federal Credit Union, and we provide free legal services and housing counseling services to distressed homeowners in Kings County. And when I came to Grow Brooklyn, I was surprised to see so many of the different foreclosure cases had estate-related issues and problems that resulted from a lack of putting in place an estate plan. So end-of-life planning are documents that take effect while a person is still alive, and those documents are a power of attorney, which is a document in which you can authorize somebody to make financial decisions on your behalf, or it could be a healthcare proxy where you authorize somebody to make medical decisions on your behalf in the event that you're unable to make those decisions yourself. Or it could be something like a last will and testament, and that's a document that doesn't take effect until after a person has passed away, and that says what's going to happen to their possessions and who's going to be delegated with the responsibility of making sure that those wishes are realized. The people who need to do estate planning are people who have assets, and they need to do that estate planning while they're alive and well so that their wishes can be properly documented. Estate planning services are often associated with people of substantial wealth and means. However, in my experience, it's people of more moderate means, modest means, who can pay the biggest price for the absence of putting in place an estate plan, because they can least afford the consequences of a plan gone wrong. Assets are all of the different things that a person may own while they're alive and then at their death. So assets can include your home, it can include bank accounts, it can include tangible personal property, jewelry, artwork, furniture and furnishings, cars. It includes everything. And so anybody with any assets is a good candidate to put in place an estate plan. Oftentimes, the way in which assets would pass from one person to their next closest living relatives does not reflect what that person would have wanted to have done in the event that they could have put the plan in place themselves. And so you can get some outcomes that create a lot of different problems for people in the absence of an estate plan. Developing an estate plan with a will that lists who you want to be the guardian of your minor children, if something happens to you, can be an important way to avoid a family court proceeding and to help facilitate the custody of your children in the event that something happens to you. So the Brooklyn Cooperative is a bank that was started more than 15 years ago, and in 2006 or 2007, a lot of different inquiries were coming in from its constituency about purchasing homes, and so the co-op set up an affiliated 501c3, which is a not-for-profit, called Grow Brooklyn. Grow Brooklyn, through the program that we've started called Protect Your Treasure, is looking to provide low fee costs to people looking to do simple estate plans. Everybody could benefit from having an estate plan. Anybody with any assets or who wants somebody to be able to make healthcare decisions on their behalf in the event that they're unable to make them themselves, or somebody be able to make financial decisions on their behalf in the event that they're unable to make them themselves, would substantially benefit from having an estate plan or an end-of-life plan.